Welcome back to 4th standard computer science online class. Today we are discuss model test paper 1 page number 40. These one words and question answers based on chapter 1 to 4. Okay, the first one multiple choice questions. First one, which device is used to input and recover voice into the computer? Record voice into the computer. Answer, microphone. Second one, LCD and plasma are two types of. Answer, option C, monitor. Third one, which is the horizontal bar aligned to the lower part of the screen in Windows 10? Answer, C, taskbar. Fourth one, turtle card is here dash using which is draws finger on screen. Answer, C, pen. Fifth one, command input box and recall list box are part of. Answer, B, commander window. Sixth one, the current setting of MSW logo are shown by clicking the. Answer, option A, status button. Seventh one, the construction of the regular hexagon can be reduced in the program size if. Answer, repeat is used. A. Okay. Eighth one, what will happen on double clicking on control panel icon on the desktop? Answer, option A, control panel will be launched. Ninth one, the keyboard properties of control panel contains. Answer, option A, two tabs, namely speed and hardware. Tenth one, how can File Explorer option be changed in Windows 10? Answer, option A, by using control panel. The next section, true or false. The first one, a touchpad is commonly used in laptops. Answer, true. Second one, a touch screen looks like an upside down mouse. Answer, false. Third one, the keys on the keyboard can be clicked or double clicked. Answer, false. Fourth one, joystick, mouse and light pen are all pointing devices. Answer, true. Fifth one, VDU is another name of monitor. Answer, false. Answer, true. Okay. Section C, fill in the blanks. First one, command input box is present at the dash portion of the commander window. Answer, bottom. Second one, pressing the Windows key plus X open up the dash user mode in Windows 10. Answer, power. Okay. Third one, pressing the dash button of MSW logo stop the execution of commands permanently. Answer, half. Fourth one, the command PK40 has the same effect as forward. Answer, -40. Okay. Then fifth one, MSW logo stand for dash logo, Microsoft Windows. Okay. Then match the following. First one, this storage device is present inside the system cabinet. Answer, hard disk. Second one, this output device provide with the output known as hard copy. Answer, printer. Third one, if the file or folder is selected, pressing F2 will answer, make the file or folder name editable. Fourth one, in MSW logo, when turtle moves is drawn using pen. Fifth one, the center of the MSW logo screen is also known as home of turtle. Okay, all of you mark the page number 40 and 41, the question answers. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.